Because see, that way you have better control of your car, your vehicle, and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So that this way, it's not no mistake. No, I wasn't on my phone. He was on the phone. I wasn't on my phone. My phone is right there.
Right.
You know.
Yeah.
So.
Because the thing is, like, honestly, as much as I walk out here, I lost count on how many people would get into those car accidents. You know, and I must have seen at least last year, like 8.
Come here, little girl. Let me fuck with you. Hey. Now look at the pussy. Can I see?
He's quite the character, just so you know.
No, I just looked at it.
I know. This is a cute girl. That's all.
No.
I'm actually going to Boost Mobile Store.
Hey, Happy New Year.
Oh, Otis.
I wasn't talking to you. Because I'm one of them.
Oh, that's right, because he's from Boston, right? Boston?
Not Boston.
Oh.
Massachusetts.
Huh? That is in
Great Barrington,
Massachusetts.
Massachusetts. That color on you, that purple, that is beautiful. That purple is beautiful. Yeah, watch what you do.
Oh,
Thinking you all that in the bag of chips. That motherfucker don't even touch you no more.
oh.
Only time he wants some motherfucking pussies when he's woo. Right about now I'm half-fast lit. I need to smoke some weed. I don't have none.
Oh, I don't smoke. Thank the Lord for that.
Don't
Ever. Yeah, the reason.
No, watch what you're doing. I thought that was
I don't know why the hell people do that. Honestly, that's not okay. They can hurt someone's butt like that, putting those damn wires in the bus. Oh, pardon my language.
Let me see if I can fix it.
Yeah, Odis the mechanic.
Oh, you slimy motherfucker. You slimy bitch.
I think it's because they're rusted.
No. This is copper.
Oh, it's copper. I didn't notice that.
And I just gotta get right here. Do this.
See, and this is why we need more people like Odis, because people out here, the downside about Phoenix sometimes, people like to vandalize the bus stops. It's especially when they do graffiti. I hate that.
I just don't want my daughter to come up here.
Right.
If she has to catch the bus.
And then like her backpack is tangled.
Cutting her legs and shit.
Yeah.
Because you did some stupid shit.
Yeah, exactly.
And or my stepson. I mean, hey, we cool.
Yeah.
I don't need all that dumb shit.
Yeah, I
don't
agree.
need hospital bills and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? So I don't give a fuck about what they say.
Oh, but he's a grown man walking around with a fanny pack.
Oh, check this out. I'm gonna take me in my fanny pack and do what I'm gonna do.
Yeah.
And I got this.
Man, I kind of miss those fanny packs. My mom used to wear those all the time when we like went to Disneyland, and oh gosh, it brings like so much memories.
This is a military fanny pack, so it'll last a little bit longer
Right.
than the other ones. Hey, how y'all doing? Hey, man, long time no see, bro. Hey, what's happening? Night? I'm gonna kick it with my buddy right here. Take this motherfucking goddamn copper off this goddamn bus stop thing. Sorry. Hey, it's me. You have a good one.
Oh, it is. You're such a sweet guy, honestly.
Say what?
You're such a sweet guy, literally.
You gotta lie about what I do.
Yeah.
I did that shit a long time ago.
Yeah.
I don't gotta lie about what I do.
Mm-hmm.
My mother's deceased.
Oh.
My father's still living.
Mm-hmm.
I love him forever.
Yeah.
And ever and ever.
Yep. Oh yeah, I didn't tell you that. My grandfather, he passed from COVID back in September.
Is that right?
Yep. He basically lived up all the way to 80.
Oh, well, at least he got up to 80.
Yeah. A lot of people.
I'll be honest with you. I'm trying to get up to 80.
I don't blame you. I've been telling my mom the same thing. I'm telling her, like, Mom, you don't need to keep working so hard. You know?
I'm not gonna be working like that.
Right.
I'm not gonna be working like that.
Yeah.
I wanna have time with my daughter.
Mm-hmm.
If and when she thinks she wants to have a child.
Right.
That'll be a decision that we both come up with. Watch out.
Oh.
Because her mother's an asshole.
Mm-hmm.
And she's a good woman, but she's just an asshole.
Right. Yeah, that's how our parents are sometimes.
Oh, no. My dad was an asshole.
Mm-hmm.
But my mom was. She's the one that made everything smooth.
Yeah, that's good.
My mom made everything smooth.
Yeah.
She would stop my dad from whooping my ass. Granted, sometimes I may need it. Other times, just don't.
That's a good idea. I always thought about carrying myself one since I always get the runs.
All that motherfucking toilet tissues
right.
and paper towels.
Oh, it's a mess sometimes having to carry all that.
Excuse me, do you have the paper towels I can use? You got some paper towels or napkin I can use to blow my nose? No.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. We don't have that. I'm sorry, sir.
Really? Okay.
I swear, you need to be a voice actor. Literally.
Pardon?
You need to be a voice actor.
To do what?
You know, you like what you do kind of remind me of like Martin Lawrence. Oh, this border